Good afternoon, and thank you for taking the time to review this training. We are excited to start the implementation of this system for grantees to submit reports to DAS. The system will also help us to better complete our reporting requirements to the U.S. Treasury. Finally, it will capture the high-level data to be highlighted on the DAS website. This tool will make all our work transparent and allow Oregonians to see exactly how the ARPA funds are aiding the recovery from the adverse effects of the COVID-19 pandemic to our communities. Each quarter, you will receive a link to submit your report. All you will need is the link. There is no subscription requirement to use the Smartsheet application. If, after you review this video, you still have questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your grant analyst for help. Please set a reminder on your calendar that the next report is due January 15 of 2023 for the quarter ending December 31 of 2022. We do recommend that you place reminders on your calendar for all reporting deadlines. In our training today, we'll show you how to enter the necessary data and attach the reporting template. So let's get started and see what's on these slides. The first one you'll see here is an overview of the entire screen that you will see when you open the link. The first section is the identification section of the form. Please enter the full name of your organization. Second, who do we contact with questions or clarifications on the data submitted? Third, the 4-digit grant agreement number, which can be found on your grant agreement. Fourth, the period or the quarter ending date. To do this, just click on the calendar icon and select the date that you need. Note that there is a field in red on this screen. This is because this is a required field. As you're going through the Smartsheet form, if any field is highlighted in red, such as this one, it must be completed in order for the form to be validated and submitted to DAS. The Grant Analyst section. This is as easy as clicking on the radio button next to the Grant Analyst name. The Financial Data section. For this section, you will need to have your quarterly template open. You'll need 2 pieces of data. The first is highlighted in the red insert here, and that is the total expenditures for the quarter ending, in this case, December 31st of 22. The blue insert shows the total expenditures to date, and you'll enter that in this second field. The certification statement. Please note that this may not be the same person that is submitting this report. The certifying official is an individual tasked with the responsibility to review the data for accuracy and completeness. So the next piece is to enter the actual template on the report to be submitted. 2 methods are available for you. One, to just drag and drop the file from your computer into the box as you see it here. Second, to click on the Browse Files in blue and locate the file on your computer. Either way, you'll just attach that file, and then you'll come to this next section, the final steps. If you would like a copy of your submission, click here. Send me a copy of my responses. An email address window will open. Please enter your email. The last step is click on the Submit button and you're done. You will receive a notice that says your report has been received by us. Okay, at the very beginning, I mentioned briefly that we will be using something called an update request feature. Sometimes we may need to ask for specific data from a grantee. To aid us with this, Smartsheet has an update feature. This allows us to send a request directly to a grantee asking for specific information. The request will come to you in your email and will look something like this. The grant analyst will indicate in the email exactly what information is being requested. When you have gathered the information needed, all you'll need to do is click on the blue Open Update form. Once you do that, you will see a screen that looks just like this. You will enter the data that was requested by your analyst. And again, if you'd like a copy, click on the Send Me a Copy of My Responses, enter your email, and click on the Submit Update button. And you're done. Thank you again for taking the time to review this training. If you have any questions, please reach out to your analyst. We are here to assist you in your work.